Thank you, Dave. Leaders from across the Wabash Valley gathered tonight to hear about how they could help those in Henryville, Indiana, recovering from the deadly tornadoes. Terre Haute Ministries spoke at Maryland Community Church about the level of devastation in southern Indiana. Their crews have been serving in Henryville since the tornado hit. They say while crews have been working hard cleaning the debris, getting things back to the way they were will take years.
We know that it's going to take an awfully long time and a lot of man hours to rebuild homes. We anticipate about 18 months to 2 years. So what's taken 3 weeks to clean up will take 2 years to build.
Crews are hoping to head down for more work in the coming days and weeks. For information on how you can visit, or you can help rather, visit our website, WTHI-TV.com.